This is a comprehensive timeline of our pumpkin patch so that anyone who wants to know how we put it together or replicate it for themselves has the knowledge at their disposal. On the 7th of June, 2022, the field for our pumpkins, sunflowers, and corn was tilled and the crops were planted. This is a progression of the pumpkins in 2022 from June 29th to July 27th. Our pesticide spray data for 2022 is posted on the screen. In 2023, we used rye as our cover crop, allowing it to grow as a way to deter weeds and keep the soil healthy. And this year, instead of mowing it all down, we decided to strip till, leaving rows for rye to fall down between where we would plant our pumpkins. The intention behind this was to create a blanket for the pumpkins to sit on to help prevent disease and weeds. To get the rye to fall down, we sprayed it with herbicide. In order to get the ground workable enough to till, we tried soaking it with water. We tried tilling the ground with a rototiller the next day on June 6th to make it easier to go in with the planter. The ground ended up being too hard still despite our best efforts, so on June 9th we hand tilled and hand planted, working as a two-person team, one person tilling, the other planting. We were able to do all 16 rows in one day. Our expected yield for this crop was about 834 pounds, according to Stoner and Smith, 1978. We periodically weeded the pumpkin field, especially as the plants were young, to take care of the morning glories. This is a progression of the pumpkins in 2023 from July 7th to September 28th. On September 28th of 2023, the pumpkins were ready to harvest, so we cut them off at the stem using a lopper. On October 10th, we mowed the pumpkin patch, allowing room for our cover crop rye to grow back in. Our pesticide spray data for 2023 is posted on the screen.